What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the 6.0 rebuild. All right, so this is an update. I got a lot done so far. Front's ready to go. I'm waiting on some suspension parts. Everything's connected. We got brakes in, we got vacuum lines in, sensors are all in. Got the frame all painted and all put back together, all nice and clean. We got rear leaf pack, sway bar. We are not using those mounts. We're gonna 4-link the front. So those are gonna be trash. A couple other things I'm still waiting for in the mail. Rear, ready to go, painted as well. All brake lines, calipers, everything's also hooked up. Everything's connected, ready to go. Just waiting to take those to powder so I can get them powder coated. I got the exhaust as well. That's in the backyard. Put that on. And basically, once I get the 4-link in the mail, I can put everything together after powder, of course. And then I can measure the shocks, see which shocks I'm gonna have to buy, put the shocks on, and we'll go from there. Now, I'm also gonna post separate videos on some other things. So I'm also doing 08 to 10 door panels and seats. So these, they're a stone gray. The light makes them look a lot different, but they're a stone gray. They don't look too off, but they are a little off. But once everything's put together, it'll look fine. I'm going to show you how I did the wiring and everything on those videos. If you want more information on those, I do have older videos on another 6.0 we're working on about the wiring with the seat and all that as well. You can see the inside's actually fairly clean. These are for the backs. All that's getting taken out. All right, so yeah, it's coming together pretty well. I also got the alarm working. I found a couple original key fobs. I got Mare's in the mail, and she's coming together. So soon she'll be on the road and to the paint shop. Probably we're gonna see how much it'll cost me to get her painted. But that's when she's on her legs, and after I wash her and probably sand it, get it ready to go. It's been a lot of work, but it's coming out awesome. Of course, it's got the 6.0 diesel in it. Before I bought this truck, I did do a lot of work to the engine. So the engine's actually cherry. It's got new batteries in it. I got the trickle charger on there. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. She'll be back together soon, maybe another month. Also looking for 2010 tailgate. I'm looking for the 2011 and up hitch with the 2.5-inch receiver. Clear taillights, because I don't like how dark these are. These are very dark. I don't want them that dark. Yeah, so yeah, she's coming together, and then we're gonna do a bunch of videos on how she runs. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the standard. Like I said, I have the exhaust in the backyard, so it's a standard exhaust coming out the rear. I'm not sure about hood stacking it yet. I really do want to do it, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, so keep up on the videos. It's been a fun build so far. I got a bunch of parts on order, and then once she's up and running, of course, we'll be posting a video about it. So don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, check out my other stuff. I built a bunch of different trucks. I still haven't posted my 22 F250 build. I'll be doing that one soon. So keep up. Thanks, guys. Bye.